In this video, I will show you how to search in Trello. First of all, open the Trello application. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If it's not, head over to the Play Store or App Store on your device and update it first. Once updated, launch the app and you will land on the Trello home screen. On the home screen, you will see different tabs and icons at the top. Look for a small magnifying glass icon near the boards option. This is the search button. Trello's search tool is designed to help you find boards, lists, and specific cards instantly. Simply tap on it and your search screen will appear. Now you can type what you are looking for. If you have a lot of boards and you want to search for any specific one, type the exact name of the board or related keywords. Trello will suggest boards based on your input. Tap on the board name to open it instantly. If you have a lot of tasks, you can also search for a card by typing keywords related to its title. Trello will show matching results. Once Trello displays the search results, simply tap on the correct board, card, or list to open it. And this is how you can search in Trello.